I'm here today with Monica, the CEO of Baking Up Bacon Grease. We're going to show you how to safely deep fry turkey.
Matt, I'm excited about this. Let's get to it.
Let's go. To know how much bacon up you're going to need in your cooking pot, we're going to put our turkey in. Then we're going to fill it up with water so it's right at the top. Then we'll remove our turkey. And we'll mark our water line. So I'm going to note the word maximum here, and that is our line. Emptied out all the water. Now you got to make sure to get the inside of that pot good and dry. Now we're going to make our injection. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of bacon up, 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 cup of Italian dressing, and then 1/2 tablespoon of SPG, 1/2 tablespoon of Tony's. Feel free to up the Tony's if you want a little more spice. Everything is combined. Now we're ready to inject. We're going to fill up our pot. It's a little warmer out here today, so our bacon grease is partially in liquid form. But if you're doing this and it's below 70 degrees, you're probably going to need a scoop to get it into your pot. So even though bacon up is typically in a solid form, it's still 3 gallons, just like you're used to in whatever oil you would buy. So in the past, I have always seasoned my turkey before I deep fried it. At the end of last year, I got to thinking, I don't season chicken wings before I deep fry them. As soon as they come out, I hit them with whatever seasoning I want to use. So we want that golden brown look, nice presentation on Thanksgiving. So what I did is just a dry salt brine last night. This morning, we obviously were checking the water level, so it's got a little condensation on it. So we're just gonna make sure this is good and dry before we put it down in that 375-degree grease. All right, we're ready to put our turkey in. I killed the flame for safety reasons. We're at 375 degrees. The big thing with deep frying a turkey is put it in slow. You're gonna have a little condensation. You're gonna get a little splatter. Take your time, be safe. Now we'll turn our flame back on. We want to try to maintain a temp of around 350 degrees. We're going to cook this bird for about 2 minutes and 45 seconds to 3 minutes a pound until we reach a safe internal temp of 165. All right, we killed our flame. We've already probed it. It hit 160. It's going to rest to above 165 easy. Now come check out this beautiful bird while we pull it out. Beautiful golden brown. I'm going to let some of this grease drip out before we transfer it to an aluminum pan. And now immediately we're going to pull out our Tony's and start seasoning. And because that grease is still hot, it's going to stick. The skin's going to be crispy and delicious. Now we're gonna let this bird rest, and then we'll cut into it, see what we got. We've let the turkey rest, now let's carve into it. You can see super moist, flavorful, the only way to cook a turkey. A lot of juicy goodness right here.
That is the best way to cook a turkey.